So how is the church punishing errant members? Who are errant members? Let us start with there. Who are errant members? Yes? They are members who are going against the teachings of God, yes? And the teachings of the church, errant members, right? They are the sinful people. When you see errant members. So how does the church punish errant members? Raise up your hand. Yes? Yes, they are suspended from the church for a while, then they come back later. How does your church punish those people who have gone against the church or they against the God's commandment? Yes? Yes, they are warned. You warn them. Actually, even sometimes we even condemn them publicly. Yes? Some churches I found they do that. That's wrong. But that is what they do. Yes? What else they do? Yes? Yes, they are fined. You're told to pay this amount. Yes, they are fired. At what instance are they fired? If you are a member of the church and maybe you are what? You are not the chairperson. The person who collects money is called who? The treasurer, yes? And then you mismanage the what? Yes, the funds. You're going to be what? Fired. If you're in the committee, maybe you're in the women's group, you're in the women's guild, or you're in the what? Women's association. Yes. Also, you are denied leadership position or you are demoted. You are also excommunicated. Very good. Excommunicated is whereby you are taken away from that church. Now you go, you look for another one, right? Yes, you cannot attend that one. You are also transferred to difficult areas, especially in the Catholic Church. If you are a priest, yes, you are a member of the church, and you go against the rules, you are taken to very dry areas, yes, especially where I'm not judging, I belong to that congregation, so especially where we don't have many what? Christians, where you cannot get a lot of what? It's called tithe. Is it a lot or what? That is what they do. Yeah, that is what they do. Yes.